These are very nice lollies. Make these up and store them in your freezer for an instantly refreshing treat on those warmer days. And the Herbalife F1 Summer Berries and Immune Booster bring an extra bit of nutrition to these lollies too. So basically everything just gets blended up together. So I've got 175 mils of water. I've got 52 grams, which is 2 servings of F1 Summer Berries. And then I'm putting in 1 sachet of Immune Booster, and this is the berry flavor. And then I've got 275 mils of oat drink. You could use another plant-based drink if you like. And then 75 grams of mixed berries, or you could use frozen berries as well. They could just come straight from the freezer. And some lemon juice. And I think I'll need about 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. And then blend it all together. So now I'm going to pour it into the little molds. And then put your tops on with the little sticks. Great, so these are just going to go into the freezer. They're frozen, so then take them out of the molds. I find it quite handy to put them into, dip them into some hot water. Little berries around the side. I like serving them on some crushed ice. And there they are, you've got to try these. They're my very nice ice lollies. Really good.